Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was chatting to a friend of mine who's a computer programmer, and he was made redundant about a month ago and started panicking a little bit that he might be a little bit too old to find new work. However, as he was telling me the other day, he was approached by someone from what used to be a rival firm to the company he used to work for. And they told him that they knew about him, they knew his work, and that there was a post coming up at this new company, and they were wondering if he was interested in applying for it before they opened it up to all and sundry. In this context, all and sundry basically just means everyone, not anyone in particular. So sometimes if you're being headhunted, you might be tipped off about a job that becomes available and encouraged to go for it before it's opened up to all and sundry. Maybe you don't use social media much, or you don't like having arguments in public because you don't want all and sundry knowing about your problems in life. Maybe you've experienced something that I once experienced, which is someone you know basically getting insanely drunk and then buying drinks for all and sundry all night, and presumably racking up a ridiculous amount of debt on their credit card. Another example, I have a friend whose actual real name, according to their birth certificate and passport, is Andrew, but for some very peculiar reason, he's known to all and sundry as Will. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use all and sundry.